Coindeapex, secured investments. Hello valid investors and welcome to Coindeapex. If you have been looking for an easy-to-use investment company, then join us today at Coindeapex to start investing with us. Click the sign in button up there to log in your account. Upon logging in, you are able to manage your account and perform actions such as investing and buy a plan. Enter your email you use to register with us. Enter password you use to register with us. Click on the Remember Me box to stay logged in. Click on Sign in to begin your investment. Deposit and investing involves allocating funds into assets such as cryptocurrency or stocks, with the expectation of financial growth. Click on the 3-line up there. Deposit, click on it so you fund your account balance. Our platform provides access to a wide array of investment opportunities, with expert guidance and tailored strategies to suit your individual goals. Enter amount. £50 is the minimum amount to get started. You have to choose one payment method from the list available below. Once you have selected a payment method from the list below, then click on Proceed to Payment so you see the details for the payment. All you need to do is to copy the details of the payment method you selected and head over to your personal wallet app or bank mobile app to make the transfer to the details you copy. After transfer, take a screenshot of the payment proof, then click on Choose File to upload payment proof. Once you have uploaded payment proof, then click on Submit Payment. Account fund successful. Please wait for system to validate this transaction. Transaction validates automatic in your account dashboard. Click on the 3-line up there and scroll down to see Home option. Then you have to click the Home option to show your account dashboard. Whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned investor, our services cater to all levels of experience, ensuring a secure and efficient investment journey. Next, click Buy a Plan to get started with an investment plan available so you can activate it and start earning profit. You can choose quick amount to invest from the list, or enter your amount. £50 is the minimum amount to buy a plan in Coindeapex exchanges. Click Confirm and invest. You have successfully purchased a plan and your plan is now active. All you need to do is to click on the 3-line up there and then click on the Home option to go back to your account dashboard. Once it shows an active plan, then wait for 24 hours to start earning and withdrawing from your account. On our next video we are going to show you how to make a withdrawal from your account.